In fact, even and prime are not disjoint. Yes? What do you mean 0? Is that the name of a set?
Wait, what is this called? Like only one element in the set?
Singleton?
Yeah, 0 is a singleton.
0 is not even among the natural numbers. That is why I excluded 0 intentionally. The 3 groups are units, where only one belongs to, prime, where we have numbers with 2 factors. Of course, units have just 1 factor. And for 2, 3 or more factors, does anybody know what we call that? We start with a C. C-O. C-O-M-P.
It's not
Composite.
Composite. Composite.
What are 50% credit?
So composites are those numbers with more than 2 factors.
Oh.
So you can see that all natural numbers belong to one of these 3 categories. And no 2 categories can overlap. So if you draw a Venn diagram, they're just going to be staring at each other. One will be here. I don't belong to this set of primes. These guys will be enjoying themselves, having a party. Oh, we are the prime, we're the foundation of numbers. And this guy will be, okay, we are the boss.
That's the big party.
Within us, you can actually get so many of these guys, you know. And here you can have both square numbers and the non-square numbers.
Which is way more interesting.
I think this is more interesting.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Primes are the building blocks of all of them.
Really?
Yeah. You can't talk about this guy without mentioning
One
somebody
is the
else.
building block of all of it.
One is just, I don't know, how do you describe one? Anyway, so these are the 3 groups. So when we talk about Nth root of unity, we are talking about the root of 1, which means we are interested in solution like this, equation of this form. Or we're interested in solving something like this. Okay, let me write it as a statement. It's the same. What do you mean? Do you mean this and this?
Yeah.
Yeah. You just bring it here. So basically, we are going to follow exactly what we did here and try to have a now reduced formula. Then the question will be direct. Find the fifth roots in plural of 1. Find the cube roots of 1. Find the 7th roots of 1. Okay? The 7 roots of 1, something like that. So we have a general idea of n roots of 1. Okay? So for this, to do this, we say z will be the nth root of 1. So here, we can call it again the nth root of w, where w is the constant this time around. Just like we did before. I'm trying to follow the same pattern so it's not so confusing. Yes? Absolute value of w means absolute value of 1. We don't even have to waste our time because 1 is just 1 plus 0i and the absolute value will just be 1 itself. Which means the first part does not need to exist. It's 1. And 1 is multiplicative identity. So it's there like it's never there. Yes? For the argument, if you look at the Venn diagram, you agree with me that the argument will be what? 0. If you look at the Venn diagram, it's here, right? It never moves. So it's 0. So the argument of w is 0. Which means, from our previous understanding of root of any complex number, the nth root of w, I would say from nth root of w is equal to, we know it is absolute value of that, yes? Followed by what? CIS, yes, theta plus 2k pi divided by n, where of course k is equal to 0 up to n minus 1.
Isn't that absolute value 1 over?
1 over n. My apologies. Oh, that shows I'm not sleeping today. Good. Not that you sleep all the time.
No, I don't sleep. It's just like half awake.
Shut down.
Half awake.
Half awake. Okay. Okay.
So I guess I'm computer it is.
Alright, so sleep mode. Alright, so in this case, we'll say, remember, this is the solution of the problem, or I say, nth root of w will be, we know this is 1, so 1 to the power 1 over n, does not make any difference. CIS, theta is 0, 2k pi over n, okay? So which means our z, which is the solution of this problem, which is the nth root of w, will just be CIS 2k pi divided by n, where your k is from 0, 1, 2, up to n minus 1. So this is the reduced format if we're talking about the nth root of unity. If you do not remember it, just start all over again and ignore the absolute value, and you already know theta will be 0 this time around. Does it make sense? Let's see how this will be used. Ready? So I'm going to write questions from the book directly. Let's see how much of this we can attempt before we leave. Actually, the question asks you to show that the 4 fourth roots they were stated, but I wanted to find it yourself instead of trying to prove what it is. Let's begin with that while I change my ink. So let's call this A. Yes, sir.
Oh, unity, just one? That's the topic. Just one.
Yeah. You don't remember the set I just mentioned?
No, I don't like unity, it's like single.
One. Not just any single number, it's one. One is one. It's okay?
Yeah.
Everything alright? Are you lost?
No, I just question why do we have 3 dusters in one room?
True. Seriously. Why do you have?
This
This doesn't belong to this class.
That one's new.
That's new.
Yeah.
We should take it.
Even this is. I don't think this is from. Yeah.
Wait, actually, wait, let's can I see it? Can I see it?
Probably some teachers, secondary, I'm sure, brought it from
Yeah,
First
definitely.
floor.
Only secondary use this room.
Mr. Wu.
and just forgot.
It's
So,
okay.
there will be at least one class missing their cleaners.
Oh, Mr. Wu brings his own, maybe he left it.
Yes, quickly, please, quickly. We have about less than 10 minutes. That is math kung fu. Karen, were you scared?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I saw your reaction like, oh my god.
Yeah, see it. See.
How do we put that right?
Just let it be.
Anyway, when I'm done. It's easy, I'm sure.
For 1A, the fourth root is 3, right? For the K.
Yes.
No, we need the 4.
0 to, no.
What? Because we start from 0.
Yeah, 0 to 3, yes.
What are we talking about?
No, he's asking a question that for the fourth root, K will be 3. And I said yes.
Ah,
Oh.
okay. The fourth roots, all 4. Not the fourth 4 roots.
2a, can I just copy the first 4 from 2a?
What do you mean to it?
Oh,
Are you sure it's going to be the same? Because n will be different?
I forgot.
But I hope you are using this formula directly. You're not working out from the beginning. Aha, you're just supposed to substitute straight into this formula.
Talking about.
What have you been doing?
For question B, is
Wait.
remove the K.
What's she doing?
How something related to that.
Karen, you don't need all this.
Yeah, I think
You just start from here.
You just substitute.
Just substitute. K is 1, K is 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all you have to do.
Oh, because that's where you. Oh, yeah.
We already derived it, and this is all you need. Okay?
That's why it takes so long.
Mhm. Just like it always takes so long when you eat as well.
actually when I do it, yeah.
And that's cute. And that's just that.
It was so
And that's just that. Are you hungry, Brad? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
2a is
There's, I
decimal.
don't think we need to write for 1.
Really?
Yeah.
It's possible.
1 is just 1.
Remember, it is real, so you should have one real, and the others will be conjugate.
So I just plot them as decimals?
Yeah, plot them as decimal. Maybe to 1 decimal place or something like that.
I got.
What's going on? What's the problem? Is he sleeping? Crystal, what is it?
Who? Is it Ethan or?
It's between Crystal and Ethan.
No. Oh, it's Ethan. Ethan did it in the exam last year also.
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
He
Oh, that was not me. That was.
Yeah, so time.
We were talking about
toxic gas attack.
Toxic gas.
Ate too much last.
Oh, you mean that? Oh my
I thought it was a car outside.
I mean, it's a normal thing to
Bro, it's natural, alright?
I thought it was a car
We call it
outside.
atomic bomb. Where I come from.
You know when we last year did the IGCSE exam, it was so quiet.
And everybody just heard the explosion.
No, he ran out.
He ran out?
We cut it on. I thought it was the car outside, you know?
What? Oh, you heard it.
Yeah, I heard a beep sound. I thought I didn't get what they were laughing at. I'm like,
You know, we need to investigate the motion of the gas.
Check the pH.
pH value.
Acidic. You know what that is called in my language?
Do you think there's enough sulfur in forests to create acidic rains?
oh.
Anybody want to pronounce that?
Where did you
Say that. How do you know?
Where did you write? I'm like, where did you write? I didn't see it.
It's called the soap where I come from.
What's that mean?
Exactly what that is. You know the gas? That's the Yoruba version of that. Whatever you call it. What do you call it in Chinese?
What?
I write it for you here.
It has to be recording for.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
It means fart.
That's how it is written. It's so remain.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta go after my last question.
You don't have to do everything, but at least you have it because I need you to try it.
Okay.
So Nakita's gonna see it, watch the video, and like,
Yeah, that's
Ethan, we got it on the
no, they just heard a noise, and they heard my name.
we can
Well, are we talking about C, Crystal?
You know what we call that? We call that reasoning too. Deductive reasoning.
Mr. B,
Yes.
can you check that Nakita can see this part?
Yes. Nakita can see this one. Mr. B.
I said E.
It doesn't tell what is the time this is recording. Like how long it has been recorded.
It's not recording.
No, it is recording. It's recording. There's the red thing is right there.
Yeah, Leo, the red thing. Do you know what the red thing is?
No, he's colorblind. He can't see the red thing.
Yeah, it's on top.
Huh?
Yeah. But I don't think.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, I just
I've always, you know, I was thinking what happens like in the civics like class.
Skip to this part for the good one.
I don't need to wonder anymore.
Nakita.
That's a good
You know when I do that at home,
Nakita, if you are
I want to become so annoying to my wife.
Nakita, if you are bored of watching
No,
this
if you're
video,
doing it at
please
home,
skip
you try to do it as
1
loud
hour,
as
5 minutes,
possible.
36.
Very loud, of course. Without any notice.
No.
And she'll be so hungry, like, come on, dude, what was that? Like,
We're charging our dad for farting in the living room now.
Oh, Mr. Daniel, do you know what a Dutch oven is?
What?
Do you know? So like, you and your wife like sleep in the same bed, right?
Apparently.
So a Dutch oven is like basically, like when you get a blanket, you cover her and make sure like she's all inside like the blanket, and then you fart.
Like a close.
Well, that will not be so interesting compared to doing it inside the blanket and she has to run out of the bedroom. Exactly what's the point, you know? The idea is to make it annoying, you know?
No, I don't think you.
To make her regret sleeping
I don't
that
think you get my
night
point.
right beside you.
No, so basically,
At least for the first 5 minutes.
No. So let's say this is a bed, right? This is a bed. This is a bed.
Oh, there's a
and
diagram.
And then this
I'm gonna
is,
see that
this
too.
is like, this is you, right? This is you. This is you. And then this is your wife, right? This is your wife.
Instantly
And basically, so this is step one. This is step one. So number two, what you do is you like you get like your bed, right? And then you cover her like her face, so like she's like entirely inside. Okay, so like
Step 3, you instantly fall.
so this is like 1, this is 2. And basically what you do is so this is step 3. So like this is like this, and then this is
I can't wait to see Nakita's reaction when you did that. This will now be interesting. You make sure that you are out of the loop. You throw the bomb and you escape.
No, you won't smell it because your head's outside the
Oh,
blanket.
good point. I should do that. Good point.
Because it creates what we have in biology called a closed system. It's called a closed system. See this here?
Closed system. Good. Topsy, you are in trouble. I just learned closed system.
Closed system.
Okay, we have to go, guys. I have a coding club here. See you. See you tomorrow for the next episode on closed system.
Oh, I have to go home.
Yes, sir, no
I can't
problem.
do this thing. Yeah.
No problem. We at least we learn something from you, which is closed system.
No, it's called the Dutch oven.
Oh, that's another name?
The thing is called the Dutch oven.
All right, quickly.
Huh? Oh.
Hello, Mr. John and Miss Karen.
I don't think little kids should see this. We have to.
Yeah, you
You
should.
don't want them to know what we're
No, we
talking
need to
about.
take a picture.
Yeah, please take all the pictures sent to the group.
The Dutch oven is one.
Yeah.
Hey, ask them to guess what is this.
You wanna guess? You wanna guess? Alright, I could get computer 22, yes?
Do you guys know what this is?
It's basically when you sleep and you fart.
It's when you're with someone else in bed and you fart.
And you make sure your head is out so you don't have to be part of the fun. You know?
How is this linked math? Huh?
You
need to calculate. 1, 2, 3. How is that not math? There's steps. There's steps.
我在一起。
哪里搞？
你好讨厌
No, I need to go home. I need to redo my hair. I need to get my suit, and then I'm gonna do the thing.
我也不想做人生好难。
哦，亮明啊！啊。
好嘞，都不想做事。我也要去，而且我那个。
Next time I'll get. Wait, you know? No, I actually need to. No, legit. I'll tell you. And I helped you today.
What?
On the program.
You're supposed to do it too.
No, I don't need to. I helped you.
我也有做什么？
No, we didn't finish it, but we did. What? I do that. Wait, Brandon and who?
Mark and Elizabeth.
Oh, I wish I did so. Girls actually does stuff.
Not when she's with me.
No, when she's with me, they're like, wow, but she'll also do stuff. It's great.
Yeah, but she's not with you. She's with me.
折腾怎样？
I want Jaden.
折腾
Jaden and-
I want Nakita.
Oh, Nikita's fun to work with, yeah.
I don't really want William.
那人很家长。
我不是很想跟 William。
我在抽前面一个
叫
问题。William 呢，就是我也不知道，一开始他会做事，一开始都他做，后来几次他就说 I'm sick，然后就叫我。
William 跟我也都不做。
然后我说我不会做。
Actually，没人跟我是会做的。
就是那个。
我以为要搞。除了那个谁。
那什么什么的孤单，还是啥？我懂。
你有冇做啊你？
而家頭髮染色喎。
嗰個咩 prime 乜嘢？我做咗一半，跟住
有冇做？係咩啊？如果係嘅，
個問題係咩啊？
問題？問題都唔知有乜嘢。
係咪春花？
耶！
我做咗一半啦。
春花係咩嚟㗎？
他都做了一半。哎，我们就不要提好不好？我觉得他们自己忘。
对啊，不要提。
我觉得很
什麼東西啊？
你別想。
You're 20, yes?
不要不要。
Wow, I can't say hello to your friend.